Da-da-da-da-da-da. Guys, it's Superhero and Villains Week, and we have a whole week of themed activities for your kids to do that are arts and crafts, experiments, learn to draw tutorials, and then some suggestions for family time. So in your inbox today, what you've received is you received 2 PDF documents, actually 3 PDF documents that you can print. But also the weekly planner that you see on the big screen over here is actually an interactive PDF. For the younger kids, the ones who don't know how to use technology really well yet, we've offered you these printables. So you've got this daily planner that you can reuse every day of the week, and then these little printouts that you can cut up and put in little envelopes like I've done, and the children can choose their own adventure every day. Now, we do have some pretty neat things here. Make your bed, brush your teeth, and get dressed. And the way that we thought we could handle that is this is teaching kids just regular, everyday routine items, and in order to, earn something at the end of the day. So maybe after 4 p.m., if they've made their bed, brushed their teeth, and gotten dressed without any fuss, then maybe what they can earn is some free time on an iPad or technology of some sort at the end of the day, or watch their favorite movie or something along those lines. Now, when they pull something out of here, let's just say they pull out a superhero mask, they can pin it in the morning, in the afternoon. Quiet time, we're suggesting maybe is a time that they do some learn to draw tutorials, so you can pin those in there. You can also use tape, obviously, but a pin board is a great way to do this. So this is something what your day would look like. And we're also encouraging outdoor time, and that can also be family time. Maybe you go for a bike ride with your kids, and let's stick that in outdoor play. And then in the afternoon, they can pick and choose an activity for the afternoon. So just some themed stuff to get you through the week, and every week is going to be a different theme. Now for the older kids, as you can see over here, I know there's a bit of a glare there, but this is an interactive PDF that we've sent to you. And our kids all just came off of digital and virtual schools, so they're pretty savvy on computers right now. So all they'll have to do is you can send this to them, or you can give them access to the PDF and save it somewhere. But essentially, let's just say they want to make a learn to draw tutorial. Let's go to draw a comic book explosion bubble. We're going to teach them how to draw comic book stuff this week. Now it's going to take you directly to the post, so they don't get lost on YouTube looking for stuff. And in fact, once they get here, these all go to the Artebula website. And they can watch and do the tutorial right from our website, so they don't get lost on YouTube. And there you have it. Then they can go back to their PDF and choose another. So guys, enjoy yourself, have a great week, and don't forget that this is just helping you along to get you through the summer, and we're here for you. So please reach out with your ideas, things you'd like to see, and we'll try and accommodate you as much as possible. Spidey out.